The start of something new, we feel the expectation, a new day waiting. Sky full of light breaking through, we feel our hearts exploding, our story unfolding. Open eyes as we chase the morning sun, here and now.